I request Janab Amir Jamia that you may be pleased to graciously confer upon Mr. Najib Jung the degree of Doctor of Letters, honoris causa, in recognition of his services for promoting higher education, national integration, and distinct contribution to the public life.
Yeah. Now I request the Honorable Governor, Mr. Najib Jung, to kindly deliver his address.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, Mr. Vice Chancellor, sir, Mr. Registrar, Deans of Faculties, Heads of Departments, distinguished guests, distinguished Member of Parliament, my friends from the press, and of course, all of you dear students who are receiving degrees today. When I come to Jamia, I feel like a rock star. There are moments in life when you wish that time would stop for a while. And this is one such moment in my life, as I stand at this moment completely humbled by this huge honor bestowed on me by a great university that stands for all the values that we cherish in India, symbolized by the best of brains that emanated from the freedom movement of India. I have no words to thank you, Mr. Vice Chancellor, and to thank the Academic Council of the Jamia Millia Islamia for having thought me fit to be a recipient of this great honor. What is of immense pleasure further is the fact that I should receive this honor on this crucial day of the convocation of 2013 in the presence of 4,500 students who have been a very critical part of my life for the last half decade of my life. Convocations per se pose a problem because on the one hand, and you can see for yourself the eagerness of the students to receive their degrees and celebrate the moment. On the other hand, the universities use this as an occasion to say something to their departing students. Caught between these two seeming contradictions, I promise to make this speech very short. But I do wish to use this opportunity, and I believe that such an opportunity is not going to come my way again, to leave some thoughts and ideas for the students to ponder on. And I say to you students that the Jamia Millia Islamia is not a mere university. It was intended to be and has indeed remained a movement to ignite the brightest of minds and to give them a confidence to boldly go where others fear to tread. An example of this life is the life of our mentors and founders, Sheikhul Hind Mahmud ul Hasan, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Zakir Sahab, Professor Mujib, and indeed by extension, even the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Their ideals are reflected in the Tarana of the Jamia. And these ideals, if you note, are basically and beautifully reflected in the Indian Constitution, which are enunciated in the preamble itself. The preamble contains the declaration that the Constitution will secure to all citizens justice, social, economic, political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, and equality of status and opportunity. This university was founded on these principles. And over the years, it has striven to secure and teach its students these fundamental values. The issue is to successfully drive home this idea and to take it to another level. But I often see a contradiction, because at times I note a hesitation in students, and I see more often that they put limits to what they can achieve. I say to you that Dr. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Babu Jagjeevan Ram, Maulana Azad, the noted scientist and mathematician Dr. Chandrasekhar, and a litany of others would not have been what they were or achieved what they did had they shackled their minds to the existing environment of their homes or to the society in which they lived. Think for a moment, just think of the mental capacities and the courage of Mahatma Gandhi to fight in the most dangerous and difficult situations the regressive regime in South Africa. Think for a moment the broad scope of his mind and how he planned the independence of India from the clutches of the mightiest empire at that time. As you leave this university, think of the courage of Bhagat Singh. Think of Chandrasekhar and Batukeshwar Dutt to create a band of revolutionaries to challenge injustice. Think and read of the life of Netaji Subhash Bose, to leave the shores of India and move to Germany, and then to Japan to raise a force and army to battle the mighty empire on the shores of the Indo-Burmese border. These are stories of men who dream and think and plan, and they have the courage to execute their plans. And I therefore say to you that you must leave this university with visions of grandeur and the great things that you can do in your life. The Jamia Millia Islamia is an example of peaceful religious coexistence. So never for a moment forget the long traditions of accepted heterodoxy in India. Here, at all points of time, we have given space to all religions: Buddhism, Jainism, agnosticism, atheism, and allowed them to compete with each other in many ways and transform themselves in imbibing what we now call Hinduism. With the passing of centuries and in the wake of a number of thinking rulers, savants, Sufis and Bhakts, we have evolved into a uniquely secular society. We celebrate the diversity of cultures. We applaud the beauty and variety of human custom and behavior. We see the same commitment of love and commonality of cultures in the writings and songs of Amir Khusro and the beautiful hymns of the Bhakti and Sufi saints. Secularism is part of our inheritance, and you must vow to transcend and rise above religion, caste and region, so that you build an empire and build an India on similar ideological terms as those conceptualized by Ashoka, Akbar, Dara Shikoh, and the makers of our Constitution. These are Gandhian notions of social provision that people knitted together into a human tapestry. Finally, I believe that the Jamia has a wonderful, wonderful future. I believe that in decades to come, this university will be in the forefront of giving India the best of scientific and intellectual leaders. Mr. Vice Chancellor, I must once again thank you for thinking of me and bestowing me with this great, great honor. And as I bid goodbye to you children, you must remember that you will always be in my prayers and you will have my good wishes with you. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your time.
The Amir-e-Jamia may allow the other candidates to be presented. Now I request the Dean, Faculty of Humanities and Languages, to present the candidates and the Vice Chancellor to admit them to their respective degrees, diplomas.
I, as Dean, Faculty of Humanities and Languages, pray that these candidates belonging to my faculty and whose names are set out in the list and who have been examined and found qualified for PhD, MPhil in English, Hindi, History, Urdu, MA in Arabic, English, Hindi, History, Islamic Studies, Persian, Urdu, BA Honours in Arabic, English, Hindi, History, Islamic Studies, Mass Media Writing in Hindi, Persian, Urdu, PG Diploma in Urdu Mass Media Journalism, Hindi TV Journalism, Advanced Diplomas in Modern Arabic Language and Translation, Modern Persian, Turkish, and Diplomas in Modern Arabic Language and Translation, Modern Persian, Pashto, Turkish, Turkmenian, Tourism and Travel Management may be admitted to the respective degrees, diplomas.
उन इख्तियारात की रूह से जो बहैसियत शेखुल जामिया जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया मुझे हासिल हैं, मैं आपको पीएचडी, एमफिल, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, तारीख, उर्दू, एमए, अरबी, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, तारीख, इस्लामिक स्टडीज़, फ़ारसी, उर्दू, बीए ऑनर्स, अरबी, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, तारीख, इस्लामिक स्टडीज़, मास मीडिया, हिंदी, फ़ारसी, उर्दू, PG diplomas in mass media, Urdu journalism, Hindi TV journalism, advanced diploma in modern Arabic language, modern Persian, Turkish, diplomas in modern Arabic language and translation, modern Persian, Pashto, Turkish, Turkmenian, translation and proficiency, tourism and travel management की डिग्री और डिप्लोमा अता करता हूं और हिदायत करता हूं कि आप हमेशा अपने कौल और अमल से खुद को इस एजाज का अहल साबित करें।
Now I request the Dean, Faculty of Social Sciences, to present the candidates and the Vice Chancellor to admit them to their respective degrees, diplomas.
I, as Dean, Faculty of Social Sciences, pray that these candidates belonging to my faculty and whose names are set out in the list and who have been examined and found qualified for PhD, MA Political Science, Economics, Applied Psychology, Sociology, Social Work, Human Resource Management, Human Rights and Duties Education, Public Administration, MCOM, MIB, BA Honours Political Science, Economics, Psychology, Sociology, Social Work, BACA, BBS, BIBF, BCom, BLib and Information Sciences, BA and PG Diploma in Counseling Psychology, PG Diploma in Management of NGOs may be admitted to their respective degrees and diplomas.
उन इख्तियारात की रूह से जो बहैसियत शेखुल जामिया जामिया मिल्लिया इस्लामिया मुझे हासिल हैं, मैं आपको PhD, MA, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, इकोनॉमिक्स, अप्लाइड साइकोलॉजी, सोशियोलॉजी, सोशल वर्क, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, ह्यूमन राइट्स एंड ड्यूटीज एजुकेशन, पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, MCOM, MIB, BA ऑनर्स, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, इकोनॉमिक्स, psychology, sociology, social work, BACA, BBS, BIBF, BCom, BLib and Information Sciences, BA और PG Diploma in Counseling Psychology, PG Diploma in Management of NGOs की डिग्री और डिप्लोमा अता करता हूँ और हिदायत देता हूँ कि आप हमेशा अपने कौलो अमल से खुद को इस एजाज का अहल साबित करें।
Now I request the Dean, Faculty of Natural Sciences to present the candidates and the Vice Chancellor to admit them to their respective degrees, diplomas.
I, as Dean, Faculty of Natural Sciences, pray that these candidates belonging to my faculty and whose names are set out in the list and who have been examined and found qualified for PhD, MSc Tech, Industrial Mathematics with Computer Application, MSc Physics, Chemistry, Biosciences, Biotechnology, Biochemistry, Bioinformatics, MA, MSc Geography, MA, MSc Mathematics, MSc Maths with Computer Science, MCA, BSc Honors, Physics, Chemistry, Maths, Biosciences, Biotechnology, Geography, BA Honors, Geography, Maths, BSc Instrumentation, BSc PG Diplomas in Digital Cartography, Remote Sensing and GIS Applications, PG Diploma in Computer Applications may be admitted to the respective degrees, diplomas.
उन इख्तियारात की रूह से जो बहैसियत शेखुल जामिया जामिया मिल्लिया इस्लामिया मुझे हासिल हैं, मैं आपको PhD, MSc Tech, Industrial Math with Computer Application, MSc Physics, Chemistry, Biosciences, Biotechnology, Bioinformatics, MA, MSc Geography, MA, MSc Math, MA, MSc Math with Computer Science, MCA, BSc Honors Physics, Chemistry, Math, Biosciences, Biotechnology, Geography, BA Honors Geography, Maths, BSc Instrumentation, BSc PG Diploma in Digital Cartography, Remote Sensing and GIS Applications, PG Diploma in Computer Applications की डिग्री डिप्लोमा अता करता हूँ और हिदायत करता हूँ कि आप हमेशा अपने कौलो अमल से खुद को इस एजाज का अहल साबित करें।
Now I request the Dean, Faculty of Education to present the candidates and the Vice Chancellor to admit them to their respective degrees, diplomas.
I, as Dean, Faculty of Education, pray that these candidates belonging to my faculty and whose names are set out in the list and who have been examined and found qualified for PhD, MPhil, MEd, MEd Special Education, MEd Elementary Education, MA Education, MA Educational Planning and Administration, B.Ed General, B.Ed Special Education, B.Ed Nursery Education, Diploma in Elementary Teacher Education may be admitted to the respective degrees and diplomas.
उन इख्तियारात की रूह से जो बहैसियत शेखुल जामिया जामिया मिल्लिया इस्लामिया मुझे हासिल हैं, मैं आपको पीएचडी, एमफिल, एमएड स्पेशल एजुकेशन, एमएड एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन, एमए एजुकेशन, एमए एजुकेशन प्लानिंग एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, बीएड स्पेशल एजुकेशन, बीएड नर्सरी एजुकेशन, डिप्लोमा इन ईटीई की डिग्री और डिप्लोमा अता करता हूं और हिदायत करता हूं कि आप हमेशा अपने कौलो अमल से खुद को इस एजाज का अहल साबित करें।
Now I request the Dean, Faculty of Law to present the candidates and the Vice Chancellor to admit them to their respective degrees.
Okay. I, as Dean, Faculty of Law, pray that these candidates belonging to my faculty and whose names are set out in the list and who have been examined and found qualified for PhD, LLM, BA, LLB honors degrees may be admitted to the respective degrees.
उन इख्तियारात की रूह से जो बहैसियत शेखुल जामिया जामिया मिल्लिया इस्लामिया मुझे हासिल हैं, मैं आपको पीएचडी, एलएलएम, बीए, एलएलबी ऑनर्स की डिग्री अता करता हूं और हिदायत करता हूं कि आप हमेशा अपने कौल व अमल से खुद को इस एजाज का अहल साबित करें।
Now I request the Dean, Faculty of Architecture and Acoustics to present the candidates and the Vice Chancellor to admit them to their respective degrees.
As Dean, Faculty of Architecture and Acoustics, pray that these candidates belonging to my faculty and whose names are set out in the list and who have been examined and found qualified for PhD, M.Arch Building Services, Medical Architecture, Architecture Pedagogy, Recreation Architecture, M. Acoustics and B.Arch degree may be admitted to respective degrees.